The Xfinity remote is not working. I'm pointing at the TV box, and there are two major problems. First, especially when you see a light, the LED light is red. First, check the battery. Make sure it's not the old battery, and you want to replace it with a newer battery. And if the battery are near, which I just put in, you may want to reset the remote to make it work. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. To reset the remote, you need 5 buttons. The info button, the home button, the power button, the back button, the arrow button, and the negative, the down button. So first, what you need to do is to push the I button and the home button together and pay attention on the LED on top. You turn solid green, and then when it's green, you have to push power button, arrow button, and the minus button, the down button. And you see blinking, and that's called reset. And to pair it with the remote box, okay, make sure the power is connected, HDMI connected, the TV is running, and point your remote to the cable box and hit the voice button right here, once only. And now you see a screen like that right away. I say it should only take a few minutes to enable voice control through your remote, ready to get started. Okay, see, you realize that one thing? When you look at the remote, it's all red LED light instead of green. So it's not complete, so you want to hit yes. So hit this button in the middle and you point it. Okay, now activate voice control. You'll be able to use voice control to change channel, browse for something to watch, launch apps, and more. Hit OK. Hit the middle button. And then your remote is pairing. For voice control, press OK to set up volume, power, and input control for your TV. Hit OK. Hit the middle button. They ask you, do you want to use your remote to control your TV power and volume? Hit yes. Hit the middle button. And you see scan your TV. Is this TV made by Amazon? Yes. Pairing mode. Okay, after this, you'll be able to control your Amazon TV power and volume using your remote. Same thing, okay. Confirm pairing was successful. Try use your remote to adjust the volume on your TV. Let's try to see the volume change. Hitting the volume button. See volume go up. So it works. Hit the middle button. Do you have audio receiver? I don't have it, so not now. So now you see the LED light is green now. So that's how you pair it with your TV box. Thanks for watching.